to the video series of subject Object-Oriented Programming using Java. Myself Hemali Shah. In this video lecture, I am going to cover final keyword, and this is the topic of unit number 3, inheritance and interfaces. So first of all, think about this. Is there anything available so that it can be unmodifiable? Can you create something as a constant? That means it cannot be modifiable. Can you create some method that cannot be modifiable child class? Can you create some class so that no one can inherit that class? If you want such a mechanism, then the final keyword is available in Java. So here it is about the final. First of all, final is a keyword in Java. Final is used to create the constant. That means to stop value change of variable. It is used to stop overriding. It is used to stop inheritance. Now, how many things you can create as a final in Java? You can create 3 things as a final in Java. First is final variable. Second is final method. And third is final class. Now, think about the syntax where you can use this final keyword syntax. What is the exact space where you should use this final keyword? So here it is a class math function. In this function, this float pi equals to 3.14f is a data member in the class, or we can say it is a variable inside the class, and method is available. Add is a method that compute the sum of 2 integer variables and it returns the sum of that 2 variables. Now, first final use is you can use this keyword at the time of declaration of variable. Say for the example, float pi equals to 3.14. Before declaring this, just use the final keyword. Now, what is the use of this final variable? The use of this final variable is to create the constant, and now you cannot change the value of this variable. That means this value is fixed. Now, second syntax for final is at the time of method declaration, you can create the final, you can use this final keyword. Here this function becomes the final, so that the use of this, whenever child class going to override this method, the child class cannot override this method. So hope you people are clear what is the use of final method. Final, that means child class cannot override this final method. Now the third thing, final, the syntax of final is at the time of declaration of class. Now declaring at the time of declaration, you can use this final modifier, final class, then class name. Now what is the use of this final class? To stop inheritance. So if you are creating final class in your code, then no one can create the child class of the final class. That means you are defining something as a final which cannot be extendable. No one can extend it, right? That means it stops the inheritance, right? So hope you people are clear the syntax of the final keyword. Now the final variable is over here. Now what will happen if you are going to change the value of final variable in your program? For that, here it is a code where I have created one final variable. That means this float pi is a final variable. It is a constant variable. Now inside this add function, I am adding one syntax, pi equals to 3.148 float. What will happen? Try to compile it. Whenever you are going to compile this code, you will get such an error like this. This error will tell you that this pi is a final variable, so it cannot be changed in your program, and it prompts the cursor at the statement where you use the assignment operator to assign the new value to this pi variable. So it always gives the prompts at the statement where the syntax is incorrect, right? Now inside the final method, now here it is a code where I have used final method. Now try to override this method in the child class. For that, I am going to create the child class of this math function class. The new child class name I am giving math function child extends math function. This is the child class of the math function class. Now try to override the function. In this function, in this class, I have override this add function. See here, right? Now, whenever you are going to compile this code, you will get such an error that add function declared as a final. You cannot override this function. Final cannot be overridable, and it prompts the cursor where the actual statement generates the error. Right? Now the third thing final is final class. Here this class I am making as a final. Now you just need to try to create child class of this final class. See here, this is the class which is extends from math function class, which is the final class in our code. Now whenever you are going to compile this code, you will get such an error. This class is declared as a final, so that you cannot extend this class. Hope you people are clear what type of error you will get. Now let's try the example. Open the command prompt and Notepad++. Create a new file and create the class math function. Now save this file. Give the file name final test app. .java is the extension that I have selected. Now create final variable final float pi equals to 3.14 f. Now make a function to change this value. Void change pi is a function I am going to create. Now change the value of this pi variable. Pi equals to 3.14 for f. Right? Now save this file. Now open the command prompt and change the drive. Move in your folder CDO PJ programs. Press the enter. Now compile this file javac final test app. Test app. .java. Press the enter. It will take some time. And see here you are getting the error like this. Java 7 line pi assignment statement it's showing and cursor is over here. Right? Now let's try to create one final function. Final, then space, then return type of the function integer, function name add, 2 parameter integer a comma integer b. Make a body of a function. and I am going to return a plus b from this function. A plus b. Now you just need to try to override this function. For that, create the child class. Because for overriding you must need the child class of existing class. So new class math function child extends math function. Now create the body of this class and try to override the function. I'm just copying this thing and making a same function, and this is overriding. Now open the command prompt, try to compile and see the error. 17 number line, see here, cannot override add function and the new declaration pointer. Overridden method is final. Right now, let's try to create final class. For that, I am creating this class as a final. Just add final keyword. Now, just open the command, save it, and open the command prompt. Let me clear screen. Then compile it. See here, we are getting the error, first error. Cannot inherit from final math function this class extend math function. Math function is a final class. So you cannot inherit this class, right? Now you have to give me the answer if you are people clear with the concept. First, tell me the answer of this question. Is final method inherited? That means if you are going to create one method as a final, can child class use that method by creating the instance of the child class? Answer is yes. You can use all the things available as a final of a parent class in your child class. But you cannot modify it. This is the basic purpose of the final thing. Modification is not possible. Right? Now second question, can we declare a constructor as a final? Try to create final constructor. You just need to add final modifier at the time of creation of the constructor. And check it. You will get the compile time error because constructor is a property of the instance property. So this cannot be modifiable, right? It is never inherited and it never modifiable. That's why. Now tell me the answer of this question. Can we declare a abstract and final together? Can we make the abstract function as a final function? Try to add final keyword at the time of abstract function declaration in abstract class. You will get the compile time error because abstract is specially designed for the overriding purpose and final stops overriding. So how you can use this both the keyword at the same time in your class? That's why it is not possible. Now give me the answer of this question. Can we declare a main function as a final function? Try to write the keyword final public static void main in your program. Try to compile it and check. You will never get the error, so that we can make the main function as a final because we are not changing the main function. We are just declaring this main as a final. So whenever you are creating the child class and whenever you are going to override this main function in next class, at that time it generates the error. But whenever you are making something as a final, this main as a final, no error will be there, right? So hope you people are clear with the concept of the final keyword. Final is a modifiable and it is basically used for the make something as an unmodified variable value, unmodified method, unmodified class. That means no inheritance possible now, no overriding possible now, no value change of variable possible now. Whenever you require such a concept, you should use that thing as a final. You should declare that thing as a final. Right? So I'm going to end this session now. Hope you people are clear with this thing. Right? Thank you all of you for watching my video. Keep watching my video.